friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to share with you recipe of mint lime juice. It is very healthy and tasty. In this hot summers, pudina, that is mint, helps to keep our body temperature in control. So without any delay, let's start the process.
For mint lime juice, we need lemon, mint, ginger, black pepper, sugar and salt. Now take a jar and add few pieces of ginger, mint, 2 spoons of lemon juice, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of salt, 4 to 5 spoons sugar, a glass of water and few ice cubes. Now grind this thoroughly. See, our juice is ready. Now let us filter it into a bowl. Now let us take our serving glass and decorate it with sugar. In this way we have to add lemon juice to the edges of the glass and then dip it into sugar. By doing this, our glass has now become very presentable. Now add our juice to it. Garnish it with lemon and pudina and serve chilled.